In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find hidden photos on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app, and then we can hide any photo or video so it won't show up in the main album in your library. So to do that, just hold down your finger at any photo, and then you can hit at hide and then hide photo to hide it from your camera roll. Now let me show you how we can easily find the hidden photos. To do that, just get into albums and then scroll down to the very bottom where we can easily find this hidden album. If we get into it, it will show us all the hidden photos. We can open them up, we can switch between them, and if we want, we can hold down at that photo and then select unhide, duplicate, favorite, share, copy, and all that options, even add to album or delete. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.